Sanibonani, Dumelang, Molweni, Abusheni, welcome back to yet another video. And as you guys can see, the setup is completely different. And if you've been following me, you've been seeing that I've been posting a lot of vlogs. But today is completely different, and today it is the first episode. Actually, it's not going to be the first episode, but it is an episode in the series called Fashion for Beginners. And if you know me, you know I am a fashion girl. I am a fashion designer by profession. And with that being said, I am trying to navigate and find my style again. With a few episodes ago, or the previous episode, I would have done a wardrobe cleanup, and I would have essentially done a mood board or aesthetic of how I would like to essentially dress. And with that being said, I officially gave in and I bought a few items on Shein, and as well as Mr. Price, and as well as H&M. So without any further ado, let me show you the few items that I will be putting together to create my dream wardrobe. So basically, we are doing 2 episodes when it comes to this whole haul. And as mentioned before, I'm doing a Mr. Price haul and as well as a Shein haul. So now we are going into the clothing segment of this haul. First things first, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what are the few items are you thinking of getting from this haul. And yeah, let's get into it. And first things first that I got were these 2 amazing, beautiful basics. I love basics because you can pair it up with anything and everything. And I've been essentially missing basics in my closet. I've got a white t-shirt. The quality is quite nice, very stretchy, quite buttery as well. And I got these in a size medium. I got a white and 2 colors, a pink and a white. And how I'm basically going to dress these up, I'm going to show you in a video later on. These are quite nice. You can dress this with a pair of jeans if you want to. You can put a blazer over it, and if you're trying to have fun and be like me. And the pink, guys, I am essentially in a pink phase right now. So the pink, I was like, let me just zhuzh it up instead of like going for your basic colors. Let me bring a bit more color to my wardrobe. That's why I essentially chose this pink one. And the next item would essentially be these amazing leopard print wide leg pants with the binding strips on the side. It's giving Adidas but on a budget. It's giving trend, it's giving Pinterest but on a budget. I love how lightweight these are, because they are quite lightweight, guys. If I'm in and out of blurriness, it's because of my camera trying to focus on this beautiful face over here. But with that being said, you can dress this up. Imagine this pants with a nice white oversized shirt, and then you wear your sneakers. Unfortunately, I haven't bought my Sambas yet, but soon I shall. But I'm just trying to find a pair that is not common, like not your average color. I want a point of difference when I buy my Sambas. It's either Sambas, Gazelles or Specials. So I'm still deciding. There's one that I'm really eyeing, but 3k on a pair of sneakers. But I'm still deciding on that. But with that being said, you can dress this up, you can dress it down, throw a blazer over this, and you are good to go. And I'm trying this year, when it comes to my fashion sense or style, to be more playful and be a fashion girl and not be like a minimalistic hun all the time. Yes, I'm going to have my good days and bad days of being a minimalistic hun, but on the days where I feel like playing it up and being in fashion, this would be the item. I don't know, by now actually I would have shown you my mood board of the aesthetic that I'm trying to go for, especially when it comes to my dress sense or my style. I'm trying to go for like Zendaya vibes mixed with Emma Grede, with the dash of Marilyn Monroe, like with a bit of sexiness, you know. And then I got this power blazer, or I want to be into like power dressing. This is amazing quality. I got this from a brand called Musera, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It is amazing. The quality is amazing. It's quite heavyweight as well. As I mentioned before, I'm trying to step out of black and white and browns, but clearly I am failing because I always gravitate back to brown. As you can see, I did the exact same thing when it comes to the Mr. Price items as well. But you know what? We are taking it one day at a time, slowly but surely, you know. But I also don't want to gravitate a lot away from the colors that I actually like. So basically, another item that I got from Shein is basically this set. It's a waistcoat with a skirt, paired with a skirt, but you know how Shein sizes are. And unfortunately for me, I did not go through the comments or the reviews well enough, and I took a large, and ula jisana, it doesn't even go past my hips. So this, unfortunately, I'm very sad about. The skirt is small, and but the waistcoat fits me quite well, which I'm excited to dress up in my power girl era and my boss babe era, you know. And the quality is quite nice. I think I got it for less than 200 rand. Also on Shein, guys, don't sleep on Shein if you're trying to rebuild or reset your style. Yeah, with that being said, yeah. And then so I got this from Mr. Price. It's very cute. I love this frill detail over here, which is on trend, quite trendy as well. I would essentially pair these up. You'll see actually how I am planning to pair these up. It is a bit of a lightweight dress, and the price that I paid for it was literally, okay, let me not show you the price. I'll tell you the price. It's 229.99, so basically it's like 230. And yeah, basically this is what I'm going to be adding to my wardrobe. Guys, the next item essentially has to be one of my favorite pieces, and I was like, I have to get this. So it's this knitwear cardigan with the gold buttons that I got from Mr. Price as well, and I think Zara also has a version of this, so it is definitely a Zara dupe. This was also quite cheap. It was 260, and the quality is quite nice. It's quite heavy. Obvious, guys, it's Mr. Price. The quality won't last for a long time, but you know what, we'd rather buy into the trend. But it won't last as long, guys. It won't last as long, but the quality is amazing. Okay, cool. The last but not least item is definitely this cropped trench, and I've always wanted a trench, but I thought it was too long for me. My body just it would just essentially drown me because I'm also short, you know. And yeah, I just wasn't vibing with it. But when I saw this cropped one, I saw it last season as well, but I was like, let me just get it this season. The quality is quite nice. It was 360 as well, from Mr. Price. This, you can wear this even in summer on like those nippy days. You can wear it as well. So basically these are the few items that I essentially got. So basically we have come to the end of our haul. There will be more hauls coming during the year, throughout the year. I won't buy a lot of things because remember, guys, we are working on a budget, and we also need to be able to reuse and rewear our clothes and not buy clothes each and every time. So now we are heading into the start of winter, and that's why I'm trying to slowly but surely build like a winter wardrobe with warm clothes, you know. Yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Comment down below, what was your favorite item? What are you excited about this winter? What are you excited about to add on to your wardrobe? What are you excited about to change, restyle, or reset your style this season? Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.